Okay guys, we back. And now I'm going to teach you how to use IMAPP. And IMAPP, what is IMAPP? Again, go to tax, IMAPP, tax info. Basically, this pull the tax info for a property in any county in Florida. So go to tax, IMAPP. It will direct you to to the IMAPP search. You guys see that here, search area, county. Select the county that you work in this case, San Lucie, right? For the example. And then it says you can search the owner by name, by property address, by parcel ID, or tax ID is the same thing, guys. By zip code. But in this case, I will just go again by address. Select address right there and then type the address. 1749 Southwest Armour. You don't need to type the entire address. And then click search. Boom. Guys, this is nice. This is really nice. It finds the property. This is the tax record as the county, but with more details. I like this report better than the county tax record. Give you the details about the property, right? Give you the location in the map. It gives you the value, the tax value by the county from the last 5 years, which is really nice, you know. And this is the tax value, guys, not the value of the house. Let's not get confused again. This is the tax value, what is used to tax your property. And then the sales information, the history, what's going on in the property, the building type, what kind of building is, the square footage, the year bill, you know, the garages, the screen, and so on. This is really nice. This is a really nice report. I really like it. Now, beside that, I need you guys to go here because you guys have something that says comparable. Click on comparables and then it opens a comparable window. Now, by default, it already tells you that the house worth 190 for 600. Now, that's using data, just using all this data, all these comparables, because the program automatically looks for sales, recent sales, in the what? In the last year. You don't want last year. You want what? At least, I would say 3 months, but 6 months is okay. Click on 6 months and automatically it update. Now, something it went down again. So let's say I go now in the 3 months. Now, let's go back to the 6 months. You guys see that this value changed. Now, obviously, the program does not know the property. So it's up to you to only select or use the ones that you consider comparables, right? So I will just try to use basically what I consider comparables, right? And let me see here. This one's sold for 136. I know that's not the one. 124. That's not the one. 175. 136. No. 266. It could be. 131. Too low. 236. 225. Okay. Now, as you guys see, I check all the other ones and I using. Look at the value now. 209. Did it make sense? This is my subject and here are my comparables. How cool. Now, guys, can you use this to value a property? Oh, yes, that's it. This is a CMA basically. And you can say download results. Let's click on download results and what it does. Open. It just open a spreadsheet and that's what it is. So I don't like that. So let's go back to interactive, which is where we were. Now, but you can print these, guys. This is your, it went back to the same. So let's go back and go back to 6 months. Let's select the properties that we only wanted, the ones that we don't want. We did not want that one. We did not want that one. No, 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 and that's it. I think that was it, right? Yep. No, we have one here that is not this one. All right, guys. So this is the value of the house now. That's based on the comparables. Now, what can you do with this? You can print it, you can email it, and it will be like a CMA, guys. You telling your seller the house is 226. You see that? This is a quick way for you guys to value. Now, what other things can you do with IMAPP? Well, you can give it a statistical. Click on a statistical, and you can show the what's happening in the market in this particular property. It went down and stay a little bit stable, and then it start going up again, and which is true. Values are going up. Okay, you can do a map from here. You can go to Google Map, and which is nice. You can print this. You can make you can make a picture with this, show the location. Going to close it. You know, you can go to RPR details. It brings you from here directly to RPR. You remember the other class that I gave before? This is cool. So it jump you from one system to the other one directly from IMAPP. And guys, this is what IMAPP is. The other day, I helped one of my agents, Patricia, on how to determine the value of a house in Miami. And I used this because she could not use the local MLS. You cannot use it for Miami. But this, on the other hand, guys, new search. I can look for a property anywhere I want. Here we go. All the counties. So this is a way to use IMAPP, and I strongly recommend for you guys to use it. IMAPP is a nice tool. You have questions, let me know. You want me to add something to the video, let me know. Thank you.